This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Dylan Stanley. Excellent value for a freshly remodeled country home on 4.9 acres plus / private location, 3 beds 1 bath and large laundry room, includes shop building that is plumbed for a bathroom and has electric. New windows, new water heater, energy efficient air conditioning, new floors, fixtures, paint, lights, fans and full set of new kitchen applicances. Roof is 3 to 4 years old and the home is USDA-RD ready, move-in ready and waiting for its new owner. Call for your showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Dylan Stanley at 479-747-1290.